When you are looking to bring the full body strength of a commercial gym into your home without breaking the bank, the Marcy Home Gym workout station with curl pad makes an immediately compelling case. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is its solid construction. Every component from the 11-gauge high-quality alloy steel frame to the reinforced guide rods for the weight stack feels purpose-built for dependable, long-term use. Weighing in at a comfortable 300 pounds maximum user capacity, this station doesn't flex or wobble under load, giving you the confidence to push through the toughest sets without worrying about equipment failure. Aside from sturdiness, Marcy's designers have clearly prioritized versatility. This single footprint, just 68 inches long by 36 inches wide by 79 inches tall, houses a lat pull-down station, high and low pulleys, a preacher curl pad, and a leg developer, enabling a surprisingly broad range of exercises. Want slab-thick lats? Clip on the lat bar, select your target weight, and crank out pull-downs with smooth, consistent resistance. Craving complex compound moves? Set the pulleys to high or low, attach your favorite handles, and switch seamlessly between tricep pushdowns, seated rows, cable crossovers, and even up crunches. And when it's biceps day, the removable preacher curl pad is a revelation. Its high-density boxed upholstery provides firm support for strict form, eliminating the temptation to cheat with shoulder momentum. Unlike free weight benches that require you to wrestle plates on and off every time you want to adjust resistance, Marcy's selectorized weight stack is a built-in time saver. With a simple pull of the pin, you can shift weight in 10 pounds increments up to 150 pounds, allowing incremental progressions or quick supersets without ever leaving the machine. For busy professionals or anyone pressed for time, this means precious seconds saved between exercises translate directly into more efficient workouts and ultimately, better results. Despite its complexity, assembly proved far less daunting than you might expect. The manual is thoughtfully laid out, with clear diagrams and a logical sequence that takes you step by step through erecting the main frame, routing cables, and affixing pulleys. I tackled it solo in about 3 hours, though the final bolt tightening pass is always easier with a second pair of hands. One seasoned Marcy owner recommended fully threading every bolt loosely at the outset, then torquing them down only after all components are aligned. That advice paid off in smoother cable routing and perfectly centered pulleys. And because all fasteners are included, hex wrenches, a ratchet-ready socket, and matching nuts, you won't have to improvise with your own toolkit. Once it's assembled, the Marcy station feels remarkably space efficient. In my 10x12 home gym, it leaves plenty of room for free weight accessories or yoga mats, a distinct advantage over sprawling multi-tower gyms that claim all-in-one status but swallow an entire corner. The slick black powder coat finish not only looks professional, it also resists scratches, moisture, and sweat, so wiping down after sweaty sessions doesn't turn into a corrosion control operation. Functionally, the station delivers a smooth, reassuringly linear resistance curve. The weight stack glides on guarded guide rods with barely a hint of friction, the kind of whisper-quiet operation that lets you crank through drop sets without annoying the rest of the household. Cable attachments are solidly welded, and I appreciate that the pulley sheaves have sealed bearings. After several weeks of varied use, there's been zero creaking or binding. Whether I'm hammering out quad-burning leg extensions or firing off quick-tempo chest FLYs, the feedback is consistent and predictable. Perhaps the most surprising aspect is how thoroughly this single machine replaces several standalone pieces of equipment. On any given day, I might begin with 4 sets of vertical knee raises on the high pulley, transition to seated rows on the low pulley, smash out preacher curls on the curl pad, and finish with triceps pushdowns, all without swapping out more than a single pin. The convenience factor alone is worth a solid 10 points in my book. Between alternating push and pull movements, the short transition times keep my heart rate elevated, turning what might have been a purely strength-focused session into a solid cardiovascular burner. 2. Of course, no home gym is entirely perfect. While the lat pull-down station is rock solid, extremely tall users, above 6'2", might wish for a slightly longer thigh brace for optimal locking. Likewise, heavier lifters nudging that 300 pounds capacity might find themselves maxed out faster on exercises like weighted dips or unassisted pull-ups. The preacher curl pad, while generously padded, could benefit from an extra inch of width to accommodate broader shoulders. And although the instruction manual covers exercise suggestions, a comprehensive usage guide for beginners including sample routines or safety tips would be a welcome inclusion for those new to cable resistance training. Still, when you measure the Marcy Home Gym workout station against its current price of $669, these quibbles feel almost trivial. For under $700, you are getting what feels like a $1,200 plus package of equipment: solid steel frame, wide exercise variety, smooth selectorized weight, and that invaluable preacher curl attachment. Customers echo this sentiment in their reviews, praise for the easy assembly, plus comments like "great value" and you won't be disappointed, appear consistently among the 192 global ratings that average 4.4 out of 5 stars. A handful of buyers did note minor dents to the weight stack cover upon delivery, but these cosmetic blemishes did nothing to impair function, and Marcy's customer service was reportedly quick to remedy any shipping mishaps. For anyone serious about bringing gym quality training to a home setting, whether you are rehabbing an injury, supplementing busy work weeks with quick hit sessions, or chasing hypertrophy goals, this station offers a level of versatility and quality that's rare at this price point. It targets every major muscle group with precisely controlled, cable-based resistance that rivals the feel of high-end commercial clubs. And because everything is contained within a single, compact frame, it won't dominate your workout space the way a full rack or multiple machines would.